Harsh. Sairam Raghav, Sairam Harsh. I can read all your messages. Sairam Raghav, Sairam Sarthak, Adib, everyone, Sairam, Zenwell Sairam, Anmol Sairam, and Catherine Sairam. Okay, Vyom, can you just tell me what we did last time? If anyone remembers, Catherine.
Ma'am, supplementary chapter third, the desert.
What were we doing?
Ma'am, we have done supplementary chapter 3.
Okay. How many
And
times did we
question
do?
answers are left.
Okay, fine. We did the reading how many times?
Ma'am, everyone get the chance, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, then today we'll see the summary and question answers we'll be discussing. Okay, of chapter 3. So for the and Vyom, just remind me of the attendance after 15-20 minutes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my chance was not done that.
Catherine's. Okay. Okay, then I will just have a brief reading first quickly, then we'll come to the summary and I'll give certain children the chance. Okay. Catherine. Okay. Catherine wants to read. Anyone else in A and B? You can type your name over here if you want to read. Sarakshi. Okay. Sarakshi and Catherine wants to read. Rishika. Okay, fine. Saira Magrima. Okay. So now I'm just sharing the PDF with you, for which I'm going to just off the video so that we save a little bit of data. Okay, Catherine, you can start from here.
Yes, ma'am. A desert is generally without water and vegetation. A green patch with fresh water and green trees in the middle of a vast desert is a beautiful sight. A desert may be too hot or too cold. Those of us who live in regions covered with forests and surrounded by hills may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really like. The popular belief is that it is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls and therefore no vegetation grows. It is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter, but this is not entirely correct for those who have studied it. The desert can be a beautiful place. It is the home of a variety of people, animals, and plants that have learned to live under very hot and dry conditions. True, the ground is not always hidden by a cover of grass, plants, and trees as it is in other climates, but whenever it rains, which is rare, desert flowers bloom, and the sight can be as rewarding as that of any tropical garden. A desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. It may have mountains and hills. It may have an oasis, big or small. An oasis is like a green island in the middle of a desert where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. A desert
Sorry, beta. Hmm. Yes, better.
A desert may be hot like the Thar or cold like Ladakh, but generally speaking, if a place has little or no water and vegetation, people usually call it a desert. Some deserts are almost totally without water. In such places, strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. These are called sand dunes that shift and move endlessly across the desert. Few plants can survive on such dry, shifting sands.
Okay, thank you, Catherine. Okay, next I would call Sarakshi. Start from here. Sarakshi, are you there?
All yes, ma'am. All living things need water in order to survive. The few plants and animals that live in desert have developed the ability to require less water than most plants and animals. The camel, popularly known as the ship of desert, can drink a lot of water at one time. Camels can do without water for days together. The reason is they sweat very little. We sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant. We sweat when it gets hot and this cools the body. Camels can stand high body temperature. They don't need to sweat and can therefore retain the water they drink for long periods of time. The smaller desert animals do not drink water. They burrow underground during the hot day and come out of at night to eat. Some of them eat other animals and get the water they need from the moisture and the meat. Other eat plants and seeds and get the water they need from plant juices. Desert plants also adapt themselves to the life they lead. Cactus plants store water in their thick stems. Their roots their roots lie close to the surface to the ground and quickly absorb the moisture from the light rains and occasionally fall. The major feature of the
Sarakshi,
desert is of course.
Sarakshi, please
Yes,
read a
ma'am.
little slowly. Read a little slowly because see the full stops are coming and you're just rushing. And this word is stems.
Yes.
Stems. See, I'll just read this paragraph. You repeat after me, okay? When first you listen. Desert
Yes, ma'am.
plants also adapt themselves. One second, I'll just check from where the sound is coming. Okay, साराक्षी आपके ही घर से थोड़ी आवाज आ रही थी. It's okay. Okay. Now, desert plants also adapt themselves to the life they lead. Cactus plants store water in their thick stems. Their roots. Now, you see, when I'm changing the sentence, हल्का सा एक pause है मेरी आवाज में. आप उस पर ध्यान दो. Their roots lie close to the surface of the ground and quickly absorb the moisture from the light rains that occasionally fall. ठीक है? Now you start reading again from desert.
Desert plants also adapt themselves to the life they lead. Cactus plants store water in their thick stems. Their roots lie close to the surface of the ground and quickly absorb the moisture from the light rains and occasionally fall. The major feature of all deserts is of course dryness and variation of the temperature. In humid climates, the moisture in the air acts like a blanket and protects the air's surface from the hot desert to heat up rapidly during the day and to cool off rapidly at night. Deserts are an important part of nature's great plan. They are they like the dense forest and the deep ocean. Just because they are hot and dry, one should not look upon them as useless part of the earth.
Okay, thank you, Sarakshi. Okay, we have done enough of reading, so we'll come directly to the question answers now. One second. Okay. Soumya, you can read this summary. One second, one second.
One second, one second.
Yes. Now it's clear.
Yes, now it's clear. Okay, again, Soumya,
Soumya, are you there?
मैम आपकी वॉइस इको हो रही है।
वॉइस इको हो रही है।
आपकी वॉइस इको हो रही है।
आपकी वॉइस इको हो रही है।
मैम सौम्या का
मैम सौम्या का
माइक्रोफोन
माइक्रोफोन ऑन है,
इसलिए आपकी वॉइस
इसलिए आपकी वॉइस इको हो रही है।
Okay.
Okay.
Soumya, now you can
Soumya, now you can
start reading the
start
summary.
reading the summary.
I'll just mute
I'll
my
just
mic
mute
for a
my
few
mic for a
seconds.
few seconds.
मैम सौम्या इज
नॉट ऑडिबल।
Okay.
Okay,
Then one
then
second.
1 second.
Rishika.
Rishika,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read, but before that, Soumya, off your mic. Yes. When Soumya has off her mic, then only uh, Rishika will start reading. Okay. And you're reading the summary. Am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Rishika,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there?
Yes, ma'am. Most people believe that the desert is an endless stretch of land. They think that it is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter. The specialists, however, see the desert as a beautiful place. For them, a desert is the home of a variety of people, animals, and plants. True that it does not always have a cover of grass, the rain is rare, but when it does, the desert becomes as beautiful as any tropical garden. A desert may sometimes have mountains and hills. It may have an oasis also. A desert can be hot like the Thor and or cold like Ladakh. Ma'am, scroll.
Yes, beta.
A desert can be hot like the Thar or cold like Ladakh. In general, when a place has little or no water and vegetation, people call it a desert. Sand dunes are found in those deserts which are almost totally without water. These dunes keep on shifting across the desert. All creatures need water. The animals and plants of the desert are able to survive on less water. A camel can do without water for days together. The reason is that a camel can drink a lot of water of one time. Now camels do not sweat, so they retain the water they drink for a long time. Smaller deserts animals get their water from the moisture in the things they eat. So so some of them get the water they need from the animals they eat. Those who do not eat meat eat plants and seeds. Thus, they get the needed water from the plant juices.
Okay. 1 second, better. Thank you, Rishika. Now, Himanshu, I had seen your name. Do you, do
Yes,
you want to read
ma'am.
the last paragraph?
Yes, ma'am. In our cities and villages, the climate is humid. The moisture in the air acts like a blanket. It protects the earth from the hot rays of the sun. So, earth is not very hot during the day. The same cover doesn't let the heat go out during the night. So, the earth is not very cold during the night. Thus, the variation in temperature during the 24 hours is not much variation between the day and night temperature there. The temperature rises much during the day in the same way it falls much during the night.
Okay. Thank you, Himanshu. Yes. I have this very nice thing with me. We'll see this later on, but because you are ready with the question answers, we'll first do the question answers. Okay? Yes. First one who wants to answer? Anumega, do you want to do it?
Anumega,
Ma'am,
Yes, Laksh.
comprehension check or exercise?
First, we will do comprehension check. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you want to do it?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, better. Tell your name and then start.
I'm Catherine.
Okay, Catherine. Yes, Catherine. Read the first question.
From the first paragraph, pick out two phrases which describe the desert as most people believe it is: an endless stretch of land and waterless and without shelter.
Okay. Waterless and without shelter. Okay. So for the second one, pick out two phrases.
Pick out two phrases which describe the desert as specialists see it. Which do you think is an apt description and why?
Hmm.
A beautiful place, uh, the home of a variety of people, animals, and plants.
Okay. And the second part is which do you think is the apt description?
Well, I have not written the answer for this.
Okay. Then read out.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, you can tell.
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Oh, you can repeat only the second one.
Yes, ma'am. The app description. The desert can be a beautiful place. It is a home of variety of people, animals, and dry conditions. The apt description of the desert has been given by the specialist. The popular belief is based on hearsay.
Okay. Okay. Human experience tells us so. Okay. Why? The reason is this. Okay. Fine. Second one also, Ame, you can attempt.
Yes, ma'am. The phrases on the left in the following box occur in the text. Match each of them them with a
praise on the right. First, an endless stretch of sand. Ma'am, its answer is nothing but sand as far as one can see.
Okay, next.
Second, waterless and without shelter. Answer, no water and no shade.
Okay, third.
An oasis. Oasis. Fertile place with water and plants in a desert.
Last.
And last one is hidden by a cover grass. Its answer is not visible because the grass is thick.
Okay. Yes, others can check it. Now you can see, Amay, all were right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Amay. Your voice is very clear. Thank you. Next, comprehension check. Who wants to attempt? Shubhra,
Ma'am,
you want to
Adib.
tell? Adib. Okay, Adib can tell the first one.
Adib can tell the one.
Yes, ma'am. The reason a camel can do without water for days together. What is the reason given in the text? Answer. The reason is that the camel sweats very little. It can therefore retain the water it drinks for long period of time.
Okay. Okay, and just read this sentence also, Adib. What is written here? Your answer is also right. Just
A
read.
reason is that the camel sweats very little. It can therefore retain the water it drinks for long periods of time.
Okay, thank you. So basically, what we see is camel is such an animal which doesn't sweat. See, when you sweat, your body moisture is lost in the atmosphere, isn't it? That is why your body gets dehydrated. When a lot of sweating is done over, what happens is the water in our body gets lost. And if we don't regularly take water or fluids, we will start feeling dehydrated. And if you remember, in summers, that is what happens. People ko jaise in Hindi you say na loo lag gayi is basically that only. It is like a heat stroke, and during that time when you're supposed to be hydrated, your body is continuously sweating and giving away the water. But on the contrary, you're not taking the intake is not there. That is why you fall ill, and sometimes even some people lose their lives due to a sunstroke. But the camel is such an animal which has been gifted that it doesn't sweat automatically. When he doesn't sweat, I mean very very little, very slightly he sweats. And when he sweats very slightly, the water is retained, it is in the body. And that is why he doesn't need to drink a lot of water. And the water, whatever he drinks, whenever he drinks, is stored properly in his body. Okay, so the god has made him especially for the such climatic conditions. Okay,
Ma'am,
thank
a
you.
camel does.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
One second, beta. Someone wants to share some knowledge about the camel.
Ma'am, Ame, a camel does not need to regulate its body temperature through sweating, therefore it loses less water.
Okay, great, great. Okay, next, who wants to attempt?
Subra.
Ma'am, Sandesh.
Sandesh. Yes, Sandesh. Tell the second answer. Question first. Read the question and then the answer.
How do the smaller desert animal fulfill their need for water? Ma'am, answer. The smaller desert animals spend the day in the underground burrows to scrape the heat. Some of them eat other animal and get the water they need from the moisture in the meat. Other eat plant and get the water then they need for the plant juices.
Okay. Fine. That is the exact answer what is written here also. Okay. What Sandesh has told, he has, this is the same answer. Okay. Thank you, Sandesh. Okay. Third one.
Ma'am, Adib.
Adib. Again. Anyone else? Adib has already got a chance. Any of the girls?
may I?
Yes, but tell your name and start.
Ma'am, Lakshya. Ma'am, Lakshya. In a
Yes,
desert, the
Lakshmi, continue.
yes, ma'am. In a desert, the temperature rises during the day and fall rapidly at night. Why? Desert do not have moisture cover, so the temperature rises during the day and falls rapidly at night.
Okay, Laksh, just read this one again. What's written here?
Yes, ma'am. In humid climates, the air has moisture that protects the Earth's surface from the heat of the sun. Since deserts have no moisture cover, they heat up rapidly during the day and cool off rapidly at night.
Okay, thank you, Laksh.
Can I have the
And
next one also?
now one second. First, tell this word temperature.
What?
Tell the word temperature.
Temperature.
Hmm. So you're supposed to tell it a little quickly. You were dragging that word when I heard it for the first time. It is
Yes, ma'am.
temperature. Okay. Yes, you can
Yes,
continue
ma'am.
with the second next one also, Laksh.
Yes, ma'am. Describe a desert in your own words. Write a paragraph and read it aloud to your classmates. A desert is a place which is hot and receives less rainfall. It is not entirely dry. Oasis is a green island in the desert where a well spring gives water to the plants around. Camel can store water for a long time. Thus, they can survive on deserts for long. That's the reason camel is called the ship of the desert.
Okay, thank you. You can it's a describe one, so I want you to increase a few more lines to it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can
thank
I?
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
One
can I?
second, one second. I want to take the attendance. One second. Okay, the presentation is going on. I'll take the attendance and the last 5 minutes then. Yes. Adit, can you just read this one? What is here?
Yes, ma'am. A desert is usually a dry, hot, and horrifying place. That is why the only the nomads and camels is a small number live there. Of
Live there.
course, live there. Of course, there are green patches also near the water spring. These places are called oases. The deserts occupy vast areas in India. The hot desert of Rajasthan can also be turned into fertile agriculture. Land provide, we take water over there through canals.
Okay, thank you. Better, this word is nomads. Can anyone tell me the meaning of nomads?
None the
What
one
is the
who
pronunciation?
Nomad, nomad. What is the meaning of
none the
nomad?
one none the one
Yes.
who always roam here and there
Ma'am,
for
Banjara.
food and shelter.
They don't have a fixed place, and you're right, Catherine, that they
They
move from
travel
place
to a place to place.
in search of food and shelter. Okay.
मैम
So
उसको
yes.
Ma'am,
प्यार हिंदी में बंजारा कहते हैं.
In Hindi it's called Banjare. Good.
ma'am, can I repeat question number one?
Amma, you want to do it? Okay, you can read if you have written something of your own. Yes, read it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a desert is a large area of barren land where rains hardly occur. The scarcity of water make the land infertile. A desert is also characterized by harsh climatic conditions like extremely hot temperature, rapid rise and fall of the temperature during the day and night, and so on. The harsh weather conditions make the habitat hostile for animal and human existence. The real beauty of desert is the ship of the desert, the camel. The camel can survive and sustain itself easily in the extreme weather conditions of the desert. The cactus is another wonder found in the desert. The thick stems of the cactus can store water for a long time. The camel and the cactus are the best examples of how natural life can adapt itself to adversity.
Adversity. Okay. Adversities means harsh conditions. Okay. It's a nice paragraph what you wrote. Actually, this is something that you can add and you can write many other things. Probably you have read in science or something because desert is a very common thing. We have been studying this since, I don't know, probably second, third standard, small poems and many other things. And like it's called the ship of the desert. All these points also you can write. Here, if you see the spelling of OSS is wrong. Okay. That you can correct it. I hope you children are writing the question answers regularly because otherwise it will take huge. It will be a great task. Don't keep it for later on. Anytime your some tests or any assessment also can be declared. So please check the answers on the net. Also, you can use the net for that. And if you anyone wants me to mail this to you, I can also mail these answers to you. Okay.
Ma'am, second one, Adib.
Yes, Adi.
Go to Liberty and collect information about
It is
the lifestyle of
library.
library and collect information about the lifestyle of people in desert areas, their food, clothes, works, uh, social customs, etc. Show this information with the group. Answer: the nomads are homeless people in desert areas. They keep shifting to places where they can get food and fooded fooder. Their
Fodder.
life is fodder. Their life is very hard. They use camels for transportation. They eat mainly meat and dates. They weave their clothes from the wool of camel or sheep. Their lifestyle is very simple. They look to the sky for rainwater. They have developed their own customs.
कहाँ पे रखा है?
Okay. Beta, is this sound coming from your house, Adi?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
Then
then
Ma'am, Amaze mic is
Ma'am, Amaze
Amen.
mic is on.
Mute your mic. Okay. I had given, I think, two children the thing charge to see whose mic okay, gets on again and again because it's quite difficult for me to do it with 70 children. Okay, thank you, Adib. These are some more question answers that are solved. We'll do the short answers just for the reading part. Yes, Catherine, can you just do all the four answers?
I'm reading.
Yes, just read it
Just
and
read it and
have it kept.
have it kept.
Yes, ma'am. Who finds it difficult to imagine what a desert is? And what is it?
What a desert looks like, maybe it is.
Looks like? Answer: some people living in regions covered with forests and surrounded with hills find it difficult to imagine what a desert is like.
It's like actually. Okay, thank you. Next, Beta.
What happens when it rains in desert? Rains are rare in desert. Whenever it rains, desert flowers start blooming. The sight becomes as rewarding as that of any tropical garden. What is an oasis? How is it useful for desert plants? An oasis is like a green island in the middle of a desert where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. How do desert plants and animals differ from most plants and animals? Answer: desert plants and animals have developed the ability to require less water than most plants and animals.
Thank you, Catherine. Okay. This one,
Ma'am, please take the attendance.
but it's almost time to, I think, leave the meeting. And now someone is reminding me. Okay, 1 second.
Ma'am, you are say 5 minutes before 5 minutes.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Because the attendance thing is not visible in my this one. 1 second. But I'll just leave the meeting for 2-3 seconds and I'll rejoin because that attendance sheet is not visible. I'll do it and come again, okay? There are only 36 students today.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very few
Yes, ma'am.
students have come today. Okay,
36.
everyone doesn't have to say yes, ma'am, okay? Okay. Okay. Fine. Vyom, just read this answer. This is like a revision for you people. Extra question answers, okay?
Ma'am, may I?
Why do
One
the
second.
desert plants fulfill their need for water? Answer: some desert plants adapt themselves to the life they lead. The cactus plant have thick stems. They store water in them. Their roots lie close to the surface of the ground. The roots quickly absorb the moisture from the light rains that occasionally fall. In this way, they fulfill their needs for water. A few plants that live in deserts have developed the ability to require less water than most plants in other regions.
Okay. Okay, there's only one long answer. So such questions, because you know that direct questions will no more come. Mostly it will be if you're thorough with the chapter, anything they ask, you can reply to them. Okay, so we have done this chapter. I'll just show you this link to you, though it's almost time. Next time we're going to watch this video actually. Next time what we'll do, before the question answers, we will see this video. I have it of every chapter. I've taken out something that's simple and good to understand.
Hi friends, welcome back. This is Chetna here and today we are going to
start with a new chapter. We are going to discuss the chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Desert. Now, by the name desert, a barren land comes to your mind, a place where it's very hot and the temperatures are so fluctuating. This is the picture that comes to your mind. I'm pretty sure about that. So, today we are going to discuss, and I'll make you understand this chapter.
So what we'll do is next time we will see this chapter's explanation also, and remind me when we do the fourth chapter of the supplementary. We will first, after the reading, we will see this explanation. Okay, and after that only we will, in the end, we'll discuss the question answers. Today, actually, I was supposed to show the video in the beginning. It's okay. Certain children wanted to do the reading also. It's okay. So, bye for now. I think it's time also for you. Then you have to have a small break before your next class. Sairam, everyone. Yes, Sairam Yogita.
Thank you,
And
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Sairam.
please write the
Bye,
question
ma'am.
answers in the copy. Anmol Sairam, Tanishka Sairam, Nishika Sairam, Anish, Adib,
Thank you, ma'am.
Sanika,
Sairam.
Rishika, Agrima, Vyom, Shubhra, Palak, Sarthak, Sandesh, Prachi, Soumya, Prachi, Himanshu, Laksh, everyone Sairam, Ashish. Okay, good to see Ashish today. Anil Sairam, Zenuel Sairam, Ayan Sairam.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, so you can start leaving. It's time.
मैम आपको मैम चार्ट पेपर कब भेजना है?
मैम
मैम लीव करें?